What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing my new infrared forehead thermometer. It's a 360 brand new choice. Pair well to the traditional thermometer. This model is an HG01 Daikang upgrade, made in China. I'm showing you guys once I open the box. Once you open the box, you will see the literal infrared thermometer and a manual written in English and Chinese character. Easy to understand, easy to use. Checking the temperature is very easy. Once you press this button, it will automatically sense the body. So as you see, I have a 3 level of battery. I put a new AAA battery. When you put a battery for this kind of thermometer, I highly recommend you guys use a Energizer lithium ion. This one will not discharge once the battery is already been empty. This one can last for a long years of use. Inserting the battery, you will not get wrong. You will see the positive and negative polarity. So you are able to figure out which one goes for the positive, which one goes to the negative. As you see, I put the positive because I see the positive polarity to this. So I need to put it here. The AAA battery, and then this is the negative. All you need to do, just lock it in and push it all the way through. Now this one is ready for use. Okay, by pressing this button, you are able to measure the surface or the body temperature. Let me press this side. So changing, that's for the body. And if you will press the set button, it will change into surface. Press it. Press it the side here, the set button. Now you are able to get the temperature of the surface. I'm going to take the temperature of my table. Now it's 82%. And if you would like to get the temperatures of the persons that you would like to measure, press this side, and now it changes into body. So how you guys will use this, it's very easy. You need to, there's a laser probe that will measure the temperature of the body of the person that you would like to test. You need to test this to the forehead measure, 3 to 5 centimeters away from the forehead. So it has a 2 seconds. It has a second pass speed, measuring the temperature. The data memory, you can set the data memory by pressing this. You can see all your past temperature, and it has a high temperature warning as well. You can see the red color if you measure a high temperature. And you'll see the backlight as well. The backlight is a green color. And it's a physical measurements, easy to use. So this is my baby. I'm going to measure his temperature 3 to 5 centimeters away through his forehead. So that's the temperature I got. So that's how you guys will use your body temperature, the digital thermometer, infrared forehead thermometer. Model number HG01. You can buy this from Amazon for $10. You will not get wrong. If you will buy a similar thermometer like this from CVS Pharmacy, that one costs around $70 to $80. Walmart basically sell digital thermometer. Some of the digital thermometer they basically sell ranging to $80 to more than $100. So I highly recommend you guys shop around online. You can buy this from eBay, Amazon. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, may you guys have a wonderful day today. If you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. I gave this a thumbs up, a 5-star review. One of the best digital thermometer infrared. May God bless you all. Kindly share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Bye for now.